Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your Twitter profile more secure. If you would like to make your Twitter profile more secure, you can easily do it by enabling the two-factor authentication. This will make your profile more secure because you will need to enter verification code every time you log into your account. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open Twitter app on your phone and make sure to log into your account if you can't already. Tap on the three lines icon at the top left of your screen. Proceed by going to Settings and Privacy section. Open up Accounts section. Select Security. Open Two-Factor Authentication. Here you will be able to choose your authentication method. Select from one of these options, text message, authentication app, or a security key. I will proceed by clicking on text message. Click on Get Started. Now enter your password and click on Verify. Now enter your phone number and click on Next. Enter the verification code you have just received to your phone and tap on Next. Done. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your Twitter profile more secure. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.